Hey everybody, this is Jim and welcome to MyPhotoApp. I'm glad you're watching this video so I can get you started building your apps extremely fast. Before I get started building the apps, I want to show you down here on these instructional videos. Right now you're building your first app using the wizard, but there's other ones down here that talk about the builder. There's two ways to build apps. One is with the wizard and the other is with the builder. The builder tab will appear up here once you get your first app built. But let's jump in immediately and start building our very first app with the wizard. So I click on the wizard, and the first option I have is to enter the name of the app. So I'm going to call this one Test. Whoops, if I type it right, Test. And then I got the ability to add images. So there's two ways to add images. I can drag and drop images into this gray area, or I can click on it and up will come a list where I can select some images. So let me select a few images here and click open. And now it's immediately uploading images. And once the images are uploaded, it'll immediately build the app. This is the only thing you need to do to build an app. Right now the app's been built. If I want to view the app, I can either X out of this box and see it in the builder, which I'll go to in a second, or I can click on this link. This is the link you'd open up on your mobile device, or if you click on it on your computer, it'll show you what the app will look like if it was on a tablet device. This is sort of a simulation. And you can scroll down, you see you got your logo at the top, which is the default logo, the images uploaded, some contact, and some share information at the bottom as my default app. So let me close this out, and if I close it out again, you'll see that this is what the builder looks like. And again, the following instructional videos will explain how to use this. I know it looks a little complicated right now, but it's extremely easy to use and it's extremely powerful. This is where you tap into the real power of MyPhotoApp. But for building basic apps, the wizard's great. Now the only problem with our app is it doesn't have our branding or color scheme. So let's go back to the wizard for a second. And what we can do, as opposed to creating an app, we can create another one if we wanted, just by entering its name and dragging and dropping again, or we can click up, set up your brand. Now this is a quick setup with some initial information for your brand. Of course, if you want to add more like contact information, like maybe your website and so forth, you can do that through the builder. So there's plenty of power to add and customize these apps for your needs. But this is just to set you up and get you going quick and easy. So let's change the logo, for example. So here's our logo, which is the default one. To change the logo, I can drag and drop a logo image. The recommended size is 1280 by 280 pixels, but you can upload any size you want, and MyPhotoApp will adapt. Or I can just click on this, and up will come the dialog again. Let me go up a level here and select my logo. There's my logo file, and as you can see, my logo comes in. It's a black background, so let me make the background color of my app black, so I can either come in here and click, or I can type. I'll just click on a black, bring down there zeros. And since I got black, let's make the text color white. Let me pull that up so it looks a little better there. I can also change the contact information. So this can have the contact information, like the email address for the studio. It's just studio at Cook Designer Portraits. And I can change the telephone number to 502-867-5799. And now I've updated it. So now I can go over to the builder, and you'll see that my app now has the look in it. I may want to change the icon color to be something other than this gray, but I'll leave it alone like it is. And using the builder, just give you a quick view. You can click publish and you can view the app again. And now you see I've got my color scheme, my branding done. I am pretty much done with this app and showing you how to use the wizard. Going back to the help panel, if you click on instructional videos, you can follow the other videos that will tell you how to use this builder. They'll let you add various components to your app, rearrange them, like I want the share button up to the top. I can do that as well just by dragging and dropping. And I can even rearrange the images by dragging and dropping as well. But we'll get to that in the next videos. Thanks!